Okay, so the Rubik's Cube is scrambled. Now you can start
Okay.
and let's find how much time do you take
Okay.
to solve this puzzle. So as I can see, 25 minutes, oh sorry, 25 seconds, 28 seconds, 30 seconds has passed.
Just half a minute and not so many things. Just gotta get that. Mm,
Last time you took more than 6 minutes
yeah.
as per records.
Yeah.
Let's see whether you can beat your previous performance.
Yeah. I can. I know I can. Just somewhat practice and boom bang. Um. So. Um. Isn't it going on really fast? Hmm.
It's almost 2
2 minutes.
minutes now.
It should work by now. Oh. Now that I'm got it, get this out. Try the flip. Okay. Good. I'm just gonna find.
Hey, it's 4 minutes now. Come on.
Yeah.
Hurry. If you really want to beat your last performance, then you have to
Boom.
hurry. Done?
4 minutes 93 seconds.
Great. Okay, now you have the 4x4 layer and the pyramids. Pyramids is already solved, I see. So which one would you like to try next?
Because of that, I can't solve the 4x4 last layer. So if you get me this scrambles, so I can solve it till 3 days. So you can record till that.
No, better you try the pyramids. I'll scramble it.
Scramble
Let's
it?
try it. Okay.
Scramble it.
Okay. That will be in the next video. Thank you.